Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In this video session, I will show you how you will declare variable with the different data types and how you will calculate the percentage of a given amount. Let's start. Program number 1. Write a program in Python that asks to enter your name, number of sisters, brothers, age, and your height, and display all this information on your output screen. I'm writing here IDLE, this IDLE Python, file, new file, file save as, PSS. This is, I'm giving a name second program. Okay. Now here I will write my program. For name, I will use string data type, sisters. This variable name is sisters, and I will use integer data type, brothers, integer data type, age, integer data type, height, float data type. Name is a string data type, sisters, integer data type, brothers, integer data type, age, integer data type, height, and float data type. And here I will ask to enter the name. I will store that name into name variable. Input, I'm using input because here I want to add the only string variable. That's why I'm getting input name. Input name, enter your name. Okay. Next, sisters, input, enter the number of sisters. If I will not apply any mathematical operation, I can use it as, I can take it as an input. If I want to apply any mathematical operation, I must be add function e value. Okay. Brothers equal to input, enter the number of brothers. Age equal to input, enter your age, and height equal to input, enter your height. Okay. Now I have asked all the inputs. What input required, I have asked from the user. Now I want to show it on the output screen. For if I want to show it on the output screen, I must be use print function. Print. Now I will display here. Your name is your name. This will display as it is, comma, I want to display the value of the variable. That's why I will use it outside the double quotation mark, name. Next, print. You have, suppose you have 3 sisters. What I will write, you have till as it is, comma, where is 3? That is in variable sisters. You have 3, comma, in double quote, I will write sisters. You have 3 sisters. Okay. If you want to display as it is, you must be used in double quote. Here it will display as it is, and in this place it will shows the value of what you have entered here. Okay, and this one will display as it is. It means, suppose if you have entered 3, it will shows you have 3 sisters. Print, you have brothers, comma, brothers. Okay, double quote. Print, your height is suppose 3.5 feet. I will write here, comma, height 5.7, 5.8 feet. In this way I want to show it. I want to run it now. I will go to run. Run module. Name string is not identified. String I am using str. Name colon str. Enter your name. My name is Ali. Enter the number of sisters 5. Enter the number of brothers 3. Enter your age 32. Enter your height 5.6. After this my output screen shows me your name Ali, you have 5 sisters, you have 3 brothers, your height is 5.6 feet. Okay, program number 1 is finished. Write a program that inputs the salary from the user and calculates the 5% bonus of this salary and display the bonus and total salary on the output screen. Salary is in integer. Bonus may be float. Okay, I will ask its salary will get value from e value because I want to perform calculation. That's why I will use e value. Input, enter your salary. Okay, after this 5% bonus, I will get bonus equal to salary multiplied by 5% mean 5 divided by 100. Okay, now my calculation is finished. My calculation part has finished till now. Now I will use print your salary is how much in variable sal. Print you got your bonus is how much bonus. After this total salary, how you will get total salary? I am taking another variable total salary, total underscore salary. If I want to give a variable named total salary, I will not give a space between these two variables, between these two words. This will be a float. Okay, here I will calculate total sal equal to how I will get total sal, what is my actual sal plus bonus. Okay, now here I will display print your total salary is in which variable? Variable name is total underscore sal. Okay, now I want to run it. Run module. Okay, enter your total, enter your salary. My salary is 1000. Your salary is 1000. Your bonus is 5% 50, and now your total salary is 1050. Okay, second program also finished. Write a program that enters the amount of the KFC deal and add the 7% tax in this deal and shows the total amount that you have to pay. Okay, enter the total amount and 7% include the 7% tax. Amount should be integer, tax should be float, total underscore amount equal to colon float. The amount equal to e value. Input, enter the value, enter the amount, enter the amount, enter the amount. Now I will calculate the tax. How I will calculate the tax? Tax equal to whatever you have entered the amount time how much? 7%? 7 divided by 100. Now in this way you can calculate the 7% tax on the amount. This is your tax. After this you want to give the total. You want to display total amount. You will write total underscore amount equal to amount plus tax. Amount plus tax. Here you will display print your total payable amount is in which variable, comma, total underscore amount. Okay, now I want to run it, this program. If you want to display the text, you can also display print tax amount is in which variable, tax. Use the same variable name. I want to run it. Enter the amount. Suppose my amount is 20 Riyal. Tax amount is 1.4. Okay. Now you have to pay 21 Riyal and 400 paisa. Okay.